Well, welcome to Programming Academic Channel. And today I'm going to show you how to create our data analyze dashboard background color. So we are going to create a background color and then we are going to start to build our dashboard. So in this is the dashboard. In this screen, we are going to create all our project going to be complete here. So we are going to creating our background colors. So how to do it? I'm going to show you in this tutorial step by step. You are going to start to create your dreams background colors. I'm going to show you how to choose the best colors and how to create. Let's get started. So guys, come to here on the home, the Power BI desktop for artificial intelligence for business intelligence. So we are going to create here, and then come to insert here. We are going to create come to here on shape. So we're going to get a shape. So let's get to around tap this one. So we're getting this rectangle. Okay, here we're going to so before we're going to here, let's go to change background color. So background color, this one, we'll come to here, down here. On the format page. So we are going to format on visualizations. Come to background here. Here we are going to guys change our base color. So here to make like this. Okay, I'm going to show you how to from where to get the colors. Look guys, this black comes color hunt. So the base for colors we are going to choose. So here we are going to take this color and we're using this one. So tap like this. Let's go to come back on our game. So guys, don't do so. Guys, house change. And guys, always these buttons will make a so guys, so make a zero. And if you make a little bit, it's going to be changed, you see. If leave on zero, just for okay. And so now our background color is created. So now we are going to use this one. Let's go to creating to change this one. We're going to how to uh, format this one. So let's get like this. Come to here on shape. Come to rotation here. Rotation here on the top. Give 270. Look guys, 270. So this is a degree of 270. It's look like this. It's going to be rotated. So it's going to give you the good shape, the way that you want. So it's going to be like this. It looks perfect, right? So let's make a small. Okay, I think it's now it's look good. So let's get to another one shape like this. Same. Okay, this one we're going to give on rotation. We're going to give let's say 90. So 90 is going to be guys to change them like this. It's look like this. So look. guys. So yes. Now we are going to change this color, right? So how to do it? The same way. The same way you go to, then we'll come to this one. Just click like this, and we are going to back here. Let's click like this. Come to here on style, color. Come to here. Just change the color. Yes. And this one the same. Come here. Yes. Now look, guys, how it's look. The background color. It's look amazing, right? So after this one, we are going to create our dashboard, right? So guys, I'm looking forward to see you on my next tutorials how to create our complete dashboards. Bye for now.